Hey, happy Thursday. Thought I'd say hi. I miss you guys on social media. It's just, this has been my slow season, so I've been doing a lot of different other things, working on marketing for the local business, trying to build that up a bit. And I know it's hot out, so I know a lot of people aren't going to order stuff, but there are plenty of different things you can order that aren't melty that are on our website. So if you go to our website at sweetscentcandle.com and go into our shop, we have a couple thousand items. Squeezable wax doesn't melt. It's already gushy. So that's good all year long. Yeah, candles will probably melt. It just all depends on how far they're going. So if you're in Florida, no big deal. If you're in the South, you probably get them the next day. They probably will survive as long as they're not sitting on your porch. But, you know, anything further than that, it could take a little bit longer. And if you're in the Tampa Bay area, feel free to come on in. We're open Tuesday through Thursday during our slow season from 11 a.m. to 6 p.m. And we're in Holiday in the Tampa Bay area. So, come on in. Come on in. We got tons of stuff, and we custom make everything for you. We also got tumblers and t-shirts and all kinds of things. Bath and body products, so shampoos, soaps, foaming hand soaps, conditioner, beard oil, beard wash, beard balm, hair oil, body oil, massage oil. You name it, we got it. We even have massage candles where you light the candle and you can pour the wax. We got all kinds of stuff. There's so many things that you guys didn't even see here on social media that we have in the shop, or that we can make that's online in our store. So feel free to, drop in there and check it out. So, like I said, I'm here from the store from 11 a.m. to about 6. Usually I'm in a little bit earlier, but I've been spending a lot of time painting in the studio. And that's the other thing, too. We offer online classes. So we do a lot of paint pouring classes. And paint pouring, if you see, that's a paint pouring picture right back there. We do those kind of pictures. I also do all different kinds of craft classes. So if you want to do crafts or anything else, just let me know. I have a whole list of craft classes I can do. That's at jerseygirlartstudio.com. But I'll put that all in the comments or in the description, so you know where to find us. So, I hope everybody's enjoying their summer so far. And I know it's not, I guess it is officially summer already. So, today's my Friday, so I'll be off Friday through Monday. I won't be back till Tuesday. I plan on spending my time in the pool, working on the tan, because I haven't really done that yet. And probably going to my other place in Orlando. I need some downtime. So, all right. So, come visit our online store, or if you're in the Tampa Bay area, come visit our store and see what we've got to offer. I'll talk to y'all later. Bye.